Oh, um, mm, okay. Um, all right, cool. So I'm trying to make like a chess game for context. Um, I'll just erase all this. Okay. So I probably want to start with uh, mm, okay. Uh, mm, okay. So then I'm thinking it'll be an array of 8 by 8 because it's just chessboard. Uh, I think, I think yes. But hopefully I don't have to declare it, right? Can I just no? It's gonna be int. Is this good enough? Do I have to do it right now? Oh, this is fine. Okay, that's good. So after I have that, right? What I really want to do? Uh, okay. Also, I need to create some functions, right? So let's just declare something just to get the rough skeleton. So all of them will be void, right? Um, don't worry about it, Way. Don't worry where the chest at, alright? It's on the way right now, Way. Just don't worry, I got it. Um, mm, that would make sense. Hopefully I can declare something good though, like as far as the functions I need to make. So I'm still unsure about how I'm gonna do that, to be honest, bruh. Completely. But whatever. Okay. Thank you, Way. Thank you. I will declare this shit. Uh, right. That makes sense, of course. And then, I mean, let's start with something simple because I need some functions there. Actually, I'll just copy and paste them already. This to get rid of them. So this should start with a bunch of zeros. So every space should be a zero, I'm not gonna lie. Um, yeah, every space should be a zero. Don't worry about my functions, wait, don't worry about them. Uh, yeah, they are crazy though. They can literally do so much, Wayne. That's not what I want. So with this, every one of them should be at zero, right? Because a zero indicates a dry board or a zero on the board. So next, I would want to declare actually the okay, yeah, I want to declare each piece. So it'll be pawn. So it'll be W pawn. Oh, I think pawn W is better. Pawn W equals one. Yeah, that would. Okay, that makes hella. Yeah, bro, look at that. Perfectly. Come on, bro. I know that shit. Uh, I want to type it though. Mm, yeah, right. That would make sense. Damn, I gotta do this for each one of them. No, I don't. Thank you, Visual Studio. Thank you, Visual Studio. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Boom. Okay, each piece. Yeah, right. And I think it'll be fun without that. What's going on here? Oh, let's go. Okay. So, right? Correct? Okay, now, gotta think. You gotta think about as far as what's gonna go where. It's gonna be, right? Because we already have the chessboard declared. So, chessboard. Oh, this makes sense. This makes sense. So then it's gonna be, because we want the first row. We're not gonna deal with any zeros. I don't want to deal with zeros, so we're gonna do 1 and 1. Pawns, actually. Pawns would be, let me think. Pawns are on the second row, correct? So it'd be 2. Second row. Okay. And then, okay. Chessboard as well. Because we'd want board. And then also it's going to be on the 7th row, correct? Yes, that is correct. I know it's correct, nigga. Okay. So what we really need is we need to iterate through that. So it's going to be a for loop. For, yeah, 100%. That's what we need. I know, that's what I was just thinking, man. But 100% this needs to be that. So I can iterate through it and I don't have to type each one. Less than, where's it at? Yeah. This makes sense. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 100%. Plus. Give me that shit, bro. Come on. Too easy. Shut up. No, I don't, bro. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Okay, worry about what you're doing, Way. Okay? Don't worry about what I'm doing, bro. Okay, mister? That makes sense right there. Boom, bro. Come on, bro. Equals. I should probably declare these first. I'm not gonna lie, actually. So, yeah, that goes there. Honestly, I want to put them outside because I feel like they should just be outside the loop, main loop. Can I do that though? Let's see if it'll give me any errors. No. Okay. Flew easy. But I think this should be 9 though. On God, on Jeezy. No, it should stop less than 9 because less than 9 would be 8. I need to iterate through all 8. Yes. So that makes sense. And that's gonna equal the sign of pawn W to that. Yes. Boom. I know it. I know this shit. Okay. Man. And you know what? I'm thinking about it too. I could just use this for loop for what I'm already doing, which would be right here. Like, I could just use it right here again. Reuse it. Because it's already there. I'm not going to waste. Come on. And it's going to be black. Okay. So now the first pieces are set. Not going to lie. Okay. That should probably be its own function. Not going to lie. Okay. Set up. Yeah, it should be its own function, honestly. I'll just make it its own function. Void. Set up. Board. Too easy. Loki is good to see on. I was thinking more like it's just like a live document, honestly. This is gonna be like a live document. Cause I don't want to write it down. But what I did learn about school is it's good to have a document about what you're doing, so it's easier to rethink about it. But yeah, set up board. Come on, too easy. That makes sense. Okay, now this is gonna go right under here. And we're gonna declare. So I need to declare the array up in here first of all, right? Yes, because it's only gonna set up the array. So chessboard R, right? And that'll be. It needs to be declared before I do anything. That should work, correct? Sorry, Ray. I'm also not reading it. Oh yeah, that's also a YouTube thing because I was looking into it. Oh yeah, it's int. Come on, that's rookie shit. Set up board. Boom, too easy. Okay. So set up board would be, I want all that. Just move all that shit and keep that one there. No, I shouldn't have to declare this already actually, because it's already declared up there. So it'll just be there, simple. Yes, king. Okay. So let me see. Next, I would want. I mean, the chessboard should be because the chessboard are okay. That's already declared. Too easy. Let me see. Bro, we should play later, man. Oh God, we should play something. Oh, would it be better to B8? Okay. We should play later though. But I need to finish this first though. Well, I'm not gonna finish today. So that declares. Okay. Players. Okay. And then I have to go one by one afterwards. God, that sucks. So there's only 8. God damn, there's 8. Oh, it's probably a way fast. There's a way better way to write this code, but I'm not gonna worry about that for now. I'm only gonna try to get it done. You just gotta get it done, and then you worry about how it looks after. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Oh, this is 8, and this is 6, 7. 6, 7. Boom, 8. Okay. So then it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That makes sense. And then same thing. 5, 6, 7. Boom, 6, 7. Okay, now chill, bro. It had to be done. Definitely gonna do. Let me look at a chessboard because where do the chessboards set up? Where are the kings and queens at? So it'll be number 4. Number 4 is king. Okay, I'm gonna put that for now. King, yeah. King. Yes, king. Yes, king. Whatever the fuck. Boom. Okay, easy shit now. Boom. Rook. Bishop. Knight. Huh. And then. Oh, can I do that? That looks good, except for this one. What's going on here? Bishop. Knight. Boom. That looks correct. And then I want to reset it, but no, I have to do it the long way. Rook. On the screen to the ring to the pen to the king. Yes. Yes. That makes sense. Okay. Boom. Boom. So now they all have values. Okay. So let's go. That's perfectly fine, honestly. That's up all the board. And the rest of the pieces should be at 0. But just to confirm, actually, we're gonna actually make sure everything's at 0. And then everything is gonna get set up. I should be able to do this. Yeah, that should work. Okay. Boom, look at that. Just set up the board is done, bro. That was quick as hell, bro. Come on. Okay. Now I just gotta declare this, right? Boom, boom, boom. And then ask the user. Okay. Damn, this is super modular. How the fuck? Okay. So It'll be void menu. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work real good. Boom, menu. And we're going to put that right here before. That makes sense right there. Okay. Do I? No, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that, actually. That's going to be so much of pain. Okay. Setup board is good. Complete. And I'll just write that because it's easier to remember like that. Complete. Okay. So what you want to do. Okay. Let's do the big do while loop. Ready? No. While. Yeah, let's just add the do while loop already. I'm trying to get to the menu. And then it's gonna be in bool exit game. So while its exit game is false, it's gonna stay in the loop. But once it's finished with that, then it'll switch it up. So while exit. So I'm gonna put exit game like that. That declares the variable, but you want false because it's already false. So boom. Nope, that's not it. Boom. There you go. I'm pretty sure you need a semicolon there. Okay. Do while. So there's gonna be, let's see out. Exit. Okay. To exit, type E. Ah, yeah. Markiplier, I mean. Okay. Type E. Boom. And that should be good. Cn. Okay. And oh no, that's not what I wanted. No, I'm not ready yet. But that should work. No. Okay. So what you really want is an if equals E. Do I want lowercase? Sure, why not? Okay. So that'll be really good. And I'm just gonna cut this up just to make it look pretty. Boom. There you go. Now we can exit the loop now. Let's see what's up. E. Boom. Okay, so it's looping indefinitely. That's not what we want, actually. Let me see what's going on here. Bool. It's false, yeah. Do But I should be able to do anything else, right? No. Oh, I believe I see why. Accepted this. Right. What if I ignore right here? Let's see if this works. That's super lame right there, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so I can keep, I can only type one at a time. But now, if I type, I shouldn't be doing that. Oh, let me just, you have exited the game. Okay, let's see if that works. You want to do little steps of iteration. E. It should have. Okay, it's not taking the user input. Okay, good to know. What if I switch it up? I do get line cn. Yeah, that might exit game. Let's see if that works. Okay, that should work, right? Oh, dude, no wonder. Yes. Okay. No, delete all this. Obviously, the problem was found. It's this bullshit. It should be like that. Boom. Too easy. Okay. That's not what I want. Let's see. So if exit game equals, that should be working. What's going on? No, because it's a... Oh, bro. It should be string. Okay. 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 That makes sense. That makes a lot more sense. Include string. That makes way more sense. Okay. There's gonna be an input. There you go. Boom. And then it should be a char, honestly. No, it should be a char. I don't know why I'm doing this. Then exit game is true. E works, right? Now we need the little ones. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Boom. Now it should work. Let's see. Okay, exit. E. Boom. You have exited. Boom. That was easy, bro. Come on. Too easy, bro. Okay. So now we can exit games successfully. Let's put this at the bottom of the shit. Okay. So now we have the main loop that the game is gonna take place in. Honestly, I could just remove all this just to make it look prettier. Okay. So yeah, setup board is good. What's going on here? No, that's fine. Okay. So now challenging. For loop, actually. Obviously for loop to display the board. Bro, come on, that's easy. Stop playing with me, bro. Sorry. That is literally what I want, but I want to write it myself. Practice. So I'm gonna write it myself. Okay. So you're gonna make a one for loop, and then within that for loop, I'm gonna make another one, right? Because I want to iterate through two loops. So this is gonna be a nested loop. Within the nested loop is gonna be the second layout of the board. Because you got the rows, and then you got the columns. So you're gonna make sure you do both. That's easy shit. Not gonna lie. Potatoes. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, give me some. Okay, I'm gonna do it manually then. God damn it. That works, right? Yes, it does, but I just did it wrong. Boom. Delete this. Too easy. Give me some. That's for that one. This is an extra loose. I don't need that one. And this one's loose as well. That should be good. Yeah. What's going on? There's something going on with my for loop, not gonna lie. Oh, boom. There it is. There you go. So that's set up. Thank you. But I need... Yes. I need that basically. Okay. And then what's iterates through that. It should be printing out a new line, not gonna lie. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. See out right here. Because it needs to print out a new line every time. Not gonna lie. Boom. Let's try it out. That's not what I want. What? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. 8 by 8. Okay, it's 8 by 8. Just something's going on with my numbers. What's going on with my numbers? Oh, obviously they're not set up to anything. I forgot the most important step. So first, you're gonna set up the board, man. Come on, man. Set up the board. Set up board. Easy shit, bro. Sorry. Literally, how could I forget that shit? Not gonna lie. Boom, boom, boom. Set up board. And then it should be... Boom. Come on, man. Give it to me. I shouldn't have to declare anything else, right? Let's see. What's going on here? Do I have to put void, bro? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. I shouldn't have to do that. Set up board. Why isn't my function working? Yeah, it should work, but it doesn't take... Okay, no, that makes sense. I need to... So this needs to go up there, because it needs to take the array as an argument. There you go. Boom. Too easy, bro. This shit's child's play, not gonna lie. Boom. Child's play. Easy shit. Yes, that's what I want. Do I need to pass it here? Can I do that? Okay. Now it should be good. Let's figure it out. Ugh. Okay. So the first row works, and the second and the last row is working. And it is working, but the pawns need to be... Okay, let's see. Yeah, I figured outside the loop would be the best place to put this, not gonna lie. And then you got those. Let me see. Huh. What if I declare this as already 0? And then I think that's the way to go about it. One step closer. Look at that. Unfortunately, I think it's 7. I think it should be 7, actually. No, it should be 8. The board is 8. But my math is off. 100% my math is off. Because the first row is already zeros. Even though the first row should be a bunch of... It should be over here. Okay, fine. I'll do it the hard way. Okay? I don't want to, but I'll do it. So that's 1. That's 6. From the screen to the ring to the pen to the king. Let's just change that and let's see if that fixes it. Let's see, look at the zeros. That did. That did. Zero. Man, I don't want to use 0, but I will. 0 fucking sucks, bro. And then over here, 7 makes sense. Let's figure that out. Boom, look at that. It's not what I want. Actually, the bottom is exactly what I want. Oh, it's very similar to what I want, actually, but it's not quite there. And that's because these need to be set up. Damn it. Okay. Come on, man. Set up my pieces. Set them up, bruh. Set them up. 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Too easy. Look at that, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. 6, 7. Oh my god. It's like... Now that works, right? Bro, look at that! Beautiful. 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 Too easy. Now this board is set up, okay? Now the board is set up. Now let's get to the hard shit, actually. That was the easiest part. This is just a view board, basically. But I'll keep it. I'll keep it around. This is basically just view board. View board. For testing. This isn't really doing nothing, honestly. Not doing a whole lot. For testing. Literally just that. Oh my god, look at that, man. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's chess, bro. Okay. So, first thing I want to be able to set up the pawn movement, right? So, pawn movement, what would it take? I need to create a function. Alright, let's worry about that for now. So, pawn movement, how would it act? First, it would need to take the actual input, which needs to be a 1 or a -1. Okay, right? So, if movement, let's just call it movement, and we're gonna be an integer because it needs to take the integer. Okay, int movement. Oh, I would have to also set up the board. Yes, that's true. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Visual Studio. That's true. I do need that actually. Boom. Thank you. Look at that. So, oh, what? I need chessboard. I need my... Okay, boom, boom. What's going on here? Yeah, they all need it. Yeah, honestly, they all need that shit, so... Okay. Movement. And now we're going to rewrite all this, obviously. Too easy, bruh. We're on it. Boom. So, pawn movement. Pawn movement needs to check if it's... So, if movement equals... Oh, yeah, white pawn. I can literally put pawn. That makes sense. W. Or if movement is pawn B, right? Okay. If that's valid, then let's move on. Else, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. See out invalid piece for movement. Boom. That works. Sure. I'll take this off. Boom. Okay. So now we have the pawn movement. Pawn movement needs to be able to move. Okay. Well, it checked if it works, right? Afterwards, it needs to be able to move 1 or 2 placements. That would mean whatever it's at, it would have to. Okay, that makes sense. Okay. So I need 2 separate in case it's one or the other, right? So movement equals pawn W. It'll be a separate thing versus if movement boom. Too easy. Yes. Okay, so it's gonna be separate things for each one. So now it knows that the pawn is a valid piece, right? So next it needs to ask the user what it wants to do, right? Okay. No, let's not worry about that. Let's just try to make it move one piece at a time. That's all that really need to do. So what really need to do is yes, because I need to know where I'm at. Out. No. Okay. First, I need to check. Well, before that, I need to select a piece, right? Yes. Out. No, because this assumes that I have already selected the pieces, actually. Because yes, that assumes I already have selected it. So, in reality, how would I tell it? Oh, shit, this is true, actually. Fuck. See, now we're getting into something like complicated, actually. Because I know what I need to do is basically. I know the logic goes there. Okay. So then that stays where it's at. How would I okay. Okay. First the user needs to be able to select a piece. Okay, let's not worry about pawn movement. First, we need piece selection. Okay. And how would that start? Easy. Easy start. Okay. Okay, yes. Okay. See out. Select row column. Select row for piece movement. Yeah. Movement. That works. Right? And then select I'm not gonna worry with that. Right? Select column piece for movement. Okay. Boom. Easy. Seeing. And then we need a couple more here. Declarations. They'll be integer for now. Row select and then int call select. Okay, cool. So row select. Boom. And then cn. There's not gonna be any get lines here, honestly. I'm not gonna do that. Fuck get lines, bro. Get lines me la pela, wey. So that works. Boom, boom, boom. Code select. Boom. Okay. Oh man, when you put it like that for me, it's so easy, bruh. Pawn movement, chessboard. Because I would want, what is it? It's an array. And then movement. No, that's not. Okay. Okay. Let's assume they select pawn, right? Obviously, we should assume that. Select the piece. I like that, actually. That works. Yeah, because it needs to be specific. Piece equals chessboard. Boom. Too easy. Okay. Now we're getting to the nitty gritty, okay? I need to. Oh, damn, the more I think about it, the more complex the logic gets. Okay. Because right now we can select a piece, right? Once we have the piece selected we want, it needs to think about what piece am I trying to move, right? So really, uh, so let me think about the logic. I need to think for a second. There's a lot of thinking going on right now. Sort of good. That's not what I want. Okay, yeah. So let's say we have the piece selected. Switch. I need to switch statement because I need something short and simple. Um, thank you. Thank you. How would I implement this? Because obviously I need to select, yeah, that works, right? It needs to be a selected piece. Piece right there. And then it would have to be, God damn it. No, thank you, Visual Studio. Selected piece, boom. Okay. And this is all going to be contained within this loop right here. Once it selects a piece, it needs to decide what to do. Okay. Easy. Oh, dude, this makes so much sense, actually. Yeah, I think it'll work too. On God, I think it'll work too, for real. Like, actually. Like, because, okay. So, we need to go by columns first. Yes, columns are the first thing. So, let's say switch. Casa if, no. Case. And then we can, yes. So, the first row is 0. Right? So, that'll be, uh, if column is 0. No, if column is 0, it will be, what do you mean? What are you talking about? I don't know what that's talking about. Case 0. This will be first white row. I'm just gonna write this just to keep in mind what I'm trying to do overall, like what the whole process is. Then case 1. Okay, yeah, yes. No, actually, let me think. Okay. First, it needs to actually say, is it a valid piece before we do anything. Select piece. So, if a bunch of loops, honestly, it's crazy. If selected pieces equals 0, boom, there you go. That's correct. Continue. No continue. No continue, okay? Else, boom, actually, boom, too easy. That makes sense. That makes more sense. And all that's within that loop. Yeah. So now we know that the piece is valid, right? We know that that piece is valid. And the only really two it could be, no, it needs to have every single one. Damn, does it actually? I think it would. Not some. Cause like let's say the square is empty, right? It wouldn't, you know, if the value is 0, it means there's no piece on the board. So that's why I put that. Let me see. Because there's gonna be 7. Okay, there's definitely 7 rows. 100% 7 rows. So we know that. And then do I need a switch case in each one? You know, the difficulty is I'm trying to keep it all within one document. So it's definitely gonna get cluttered. Let me save this already. Definitely gonna get cluttered. Piece properties. Okay, I'm not gonna, no. I'm not gonna do that. Let me delete this. Remove, delete. Yeah, I'm only gonna stick to the main file, honestly. Now that I think about it. Who needs separate files? Object-oriented programming is fucking for bitches anyways, bruh. Fuck that shit. Damn. Do I really need one for each, actually? Is there no way around this? So know the column. No, this is way overkill. This is overkill. Hell no, I don't need all this. Now that I think about it, what I really need. Yeah. No, well, I do need it. I do need it. I'm fucking wrong. I do need that. I need all of that, actually. Let me put it. I do need all this. But what I also need would be, because this is if all the pieces are case. Oh, can I don't know if I can do this actually. Case. Select piece. Yeah, 0 doesn't work here. Exactly. But would -1 work? Damn, it doesn't. But I'd rather just use that. That's much faster. I'm gonna do a switch. If then I'm not gonna do a switch, cause honestly, look at that. That's exactly what I was thinking. Boom. Delete. Yeah, I do know. I don't need that shit. Actually, I'm tripping. So is a rook. You a whole ass rookie, bitch. Damn. Okay. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, I know what you want. Rook movement. Look at that. And that works perfectly. Can I keep going? Is it gonna let me? Is it gonna give me the cheat code? No. Oh yes, it is. Boom. If selected piece and if selected piece. Boom. So now that works. So now for sure I know that my, all right. Correct. Actually, now that I think about it, this should be after the row select, actually. Yes, should be here. Because row select, oh, actually, does this need to go up here? Yes, it does. Because rows are first. Equals 8. That would work. Okay. But is it working though, is what I want to know. No. Okay, that's fine anyways. I'm overkilling it right now. Anyways. Let's just work. Let's focus. Let's focus. Let's focus on this further now. Right, because I have that what I want to select. So settle board is good. Pawn movement. Boom, here we go. I want select the row. Select row. Gonna go here. Cannot do this. Cannot please. No. But int. Oh. How would I handle this? Because all this logic works. It'll decide what type of movement to make. It's actually, the code is pretty simple, not gonna lie. Like right now it's pretty simple still. So where would I want this? Right, because I have, oh, for reals. What are the ints? Okay. I'll have to declare each one actually. Is what I'm thinking, honestly. Yeah, honestly, that makes more sense. Select row select. And then row movement. Yeah, 100%, that's what I need to do. I hate fucking going back and forth, honestly, but it is what it is. Why doesn't that work? Oh, yes, sir. Okay. Movement. No, select the piece up here. Boom. That works. And I'm gonna keep all the variable names the same, even though I don't have to, because I can, because I'm a badass, because it's easier like that. Honestly, that's really why. So now I have pawn movement available. Let's just make sure this is actually. Let's put this up here. I don't want any fucking trouble in the future with this. Boom, boom, and then I need to pass several arguments to this, right? No, select a piece, chessboard, and then as well as these, just 100%. Boom, row select, and column select needs to be passed through here. And select a piece, just needs a little comma. Yeah, that works. Okay, can this update by itself? No, it can't. But we'll worry about those later. This is what I'm working on for now. Okay, now... Oh, okay. Now we're getting to good stuff. Okay, so first of all, you need to select the chessboard array. Thank you for writing it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No. Okay, so we need to select this, right? And we need to see... No, because I already validated that the movement is correct. So it needs to column select. It's just okay. So the selected piece equals row select plus 1. Yo, that literally worked, actually. That should be it. Oh, no, I'm missing a semicolon, actually. But that should work, honestly. No, it doesn't. Okay, now I have to debug. God damn it. Oh, I gotta debug this bullshit. Oh. Boom. Debugged. Fixed it. No, I didn't. Let's figure out what's going on. Pawn movement, that works. Why is that in here? Main? Return? Why is this double logic in here? I didn't write this twice. What the hell? What the fuck? That shouldn't even be here at all. Is that what was wrong? I did not put that there. Yeah, that's not everything, but on where? What lines? Okay. Oh, word? Oh, word. But not a deal breaker, right? No, they should be declared. Set up board. Set up board. That was complete. What am I missing with that? What did I change to mess with that? Oh, is this it? Tech-chan. Tech-chan. Call me, what's that guy's name? Yon Ray Dev? That's me, bro. Yon Ray Deving. Where's my logic missing right now? That shouldn't even be there. 4. Pawn. Why aren't they valued though? Should I put them outside? Because I did change that. Let's see. Boom. Here we go again. I wanna be more than friends. That did fix something though. What line is this? No. Line 134 says it has a problem. Oh, thanks. Whoa. Why is this here? Damn, my code is getting messy. And that's written up. Yeah, that's twice. No wonder I'm having problems. What happened to my... What happened to my code, bro? What the hell? Why is it so messy? I don't know what that is, but MadPat, I know him. Let's do it on the low right now. No, I don't know what that means, but I'm down. I'm always down for anything with you, baby girl. What does it want from me here? What do you? Yeah. Oh no, because it's written twice. Obviously, fucking stupid. Which one is the wrong one? Let me check. They look the same, so I'll delete one of them. Boom. Don't need that bullshit twice. Now, Kobe. Not yet. Not Kobe. Not Kobe at all. That changed everything. God damn it. But this is the problem with line 1. I knew I had to declare that outside that shit. What is going on? Oh. Oh, whoa. Do I have the pawn argument still? No, I don't have that. Where's my... I had a for loop, not gonna lie. Where'd that go? Where'd my nested for loop? Here it is. Nested for loop. I need this again. So then this... No. It's not a C out. It's gonna be a equal. Chessboard? Chessboard? Okay. Chessboard R. And then this is all trash. Not gonna lie. That shit out of there. Equals 0. Look at that. Too easy. Now everything. Kobe? Give me some. Kobe this bitch. Nope, not yet. God damn it. What's going on? Oh, bruh. Is it really that? Dude. Okay. My fault. Fucking, I was getting ahead of myself. God damn it. Holy hell. Okay. All that's trash. Really, all of this is trash on God. Honestly. I don't need none of this right now. For later, I will. But for now, we're gonna kill this bitch off. Boom. Boom. Yeah. That's literally the problem. Yeah, that was it, I think. Right? Who fucking knows? Okay. Kobe? Damn! Okay, let's see. Now, needs to be row 1. And then let's just do 0. Sure. That makes sense because I haven't put any logic into the function. Yes, of course. So, everything works now, right? Selected piece equals... Oh, whoa! Okay, this should work, honestly. Oh, no way. No fucking way it's gonna be this easy. The wrong place to put that. Okay. Chessboard R. Right? Let's see. Okay. Oh, actually, it's not gonna... And then equals 0 because then it needs to be... Right? There you go. Should I put that before or after? Not gonna lie. I'm gonna put it after. I'm gonna put it after. Once the piece has been set. Piece has been set, and it's been taken off the other place. Yo, this should work actually. This is gonna be easy. Okay. So row 2. Row 2, so it's 1. And then whichever. And it'll redisplay it. And I selected that, but it didn't take it, right? It did display it, but it didn't move the piece. Why wouldn't it move the piece? Row select. That's the problem. Okay. Oh, my fault, G. I didn't realize. Okay, that's 1, 0. Boom! The piece has moved, but it was not set where it's supposed to sit. Okay, why isn't the piece moving? I swear to God, it has something to do with this. Actually, let me move the logic. Honestly, if I move it like this way, And what if I, instead of this shenanigan, what do I actually, okay, what do I just write that and I delete this altogether? Oh, well, I still need row select actually, but okay, 1, 0. It moves it, but it doesn't reallocate the piece to where it's supposed to go. Select the piece. That shouldn't matter. Okay, because it's an integer. It should be able to be manipulated like that. So selected piece. Oh, obviously the logic is right here. Bro, come on, man. Okay, that makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. Obviously, I'm putting this in the wrong place. I'm trying to make the selected piece equal that when it really that should equal the selected piece. What's going on here, Betty? What's going on here, baby? Oh, missing the semicolon. That honestly, that should work though. 0, 1. Boom! Look at that. The chess piece moved. Look at that. It moved. Okay. Bug. Okay, it's getting good. Okay. I need to. Okay. No, this works. All this logic works. Okay. Okay. Oh, this also another one. Which I need to switch case on whether it's a black piece or white piece because here it decides what it is, but it doesn't really know what to do with, like, let's say talking to myself here, but actually gotta think out the logic. No, I know what I need. I need that. If okay, if it's 1, boom, and then break, and then if it's case -1, because yeah, break, and then oh, I think I didn't put a default case on my other one. Out. Invalid movement. Okay. Boom. What I'm really thinking about right now is, to be honest, the horse logic. But I'm sure it could figure it out with math. Like, math should be able to help me with that. Do I have another case? Another switch. I only have one. Oh, because I took it off for the. Oh yeah, no, that's right. So actually, no, that's fine. Perfectly fine. So if it's positive, it'll be this one because it's a positive. And then if it's negative, super easy, just subtract. Let me think. Let's see if that works. I got the chess piece moving though. Alright, that's all that really matters. I'm not worried about how it looks right now. I just wanted to get it running in the terminal. And then once that runs, everything else is going to be butter. 1, 0, boom. That moves that logic, right? So what if it's a 6? 6, 6 long dick sticking your chick. 6 and then 0, doesn't matter. Boom, it moves it up. Ah, come on, man. Come on, man. The logic is logicking. The logic is logicking, bro. Okay. And then, okay. Okay. Now we have to ask the player if it's going to be one or two steps. So if okay, this logic is going to be a little complicated, but it's fine. I think it'll be just fine. Okay, so if okay, nope. I literally want it knows what I want to write, but I'm gonna write it myself, bitch. I don't need you. If selected piece, no, equals 1, because then it would be a pawn, and it needs to be both and row select. Would it be yes? Row select. Too easy. Give me some. That makes sense. And that bracket should not be there. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Now, if those two requirements meet, see out, pawn first, move 1 or 2 spaces forward, question mark, type 1 or 2, boom, too easy. Okay, must be a new line. But honestly, I should just use this same logic. So, or it'll be or logic. Select piece equals -1, and then the row column would have to be number 6. 6 long dick nigga sticking your chick. Okay, that makes sense. Boom. No. Nobody want to know your. Nobody want to hear your suggestions. That's correct. Okay, and then in. Okay. 1 or 2, right? And this is gonna be just 0 until the end. It's gonna be then 1 or 2. They're gonna decide how much they want to move. Correct? What's going on here? So I got that logic, right? And now I know it's number 2. So now we need another switch. Switch is gonna be 1 or 2. Oh, obviously int. So it's gonna be 1 or 2. We want this logic, right? So if it's case 1, or if it's case 2, break, and then defaults as well, because C++ is annoying and it wants everything. Break, right? Come on, C++. Okay. So if it's only gonna move once, the original logic would be fine. If it's only gonna move once, correct? Yes. But if it's gonna move twice, be the same logic, but it's gonna be 2. Boom. And easy as that. Now, let's see. Okay. Now it's gonna be 1 and 0. Well, okay, now we can move once or twice. Let's move once, right? Boom. Something going on. Okay. Hold up. Hold up. Ring ding 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 ding. If oh, there you go. Boom. That's all we need. That's all we needed, baby. Boom. Too easy. So then, right? It's gonna be 1, 0. Now we can move once or twice. Let's move once. Boom. 1 movement. No, it's got 2. Why does it have 2? Why does it have 2? Why does it have 2? So I know this logic is correct. And that's any other case. But else. Boom. I need an else. Obviously I need an else. And then that'll work. Okay. Now we're getting good. Now it's getting good. Okay. It's gonna be 1 and 0. 1 or 2. Let's move once. What's going on with you? What is going on? Something's going on with the logic of this. I need to think. What? Why would it be moving? It'd be doing it twice, right? This makes sense. This is the problem right here. What are you doing? If selected piece is 1 and the row select is 1, or 1 and -6, select, switch, case it. If it's 1, yeah, and if it's 2, what? What is going on here, actually? Oh, this is stressful. Yeah, because if I do it any other, like 4, 2. Oh, interesting. So 1, 2, 2. That's working. Yeah, that's working. Okay, so it's only the first pawn logic, right? 0, 1. That's not what I want. 1, 0, 2. Okay, so the single one works. It's literally the interesting. Really, so it's only the first logic. 1. Yeah, interesting. So if I do that in any column, let's see that also does it. 0. No, 1, 5, 1. Ugh, that's not what I want. Fuck. 1, 5, and then 1. Moves it twice. Okay, correct. So the problem is here. What do I take this off, honestly? I don't think I need that. 1, 3. No, it needs the logic there. It definitely does need it then. Why would you be breaking on me though? What am I doing wrong? Boom. Why is it doing that? It should just work, honestly. But what? Huh? I just okay. So I just took it off and I re-put it and it works? How does that work, man? 3. Want to move 1? Okay. So the logic works then. I don't know why it wasn't working before. 7, 1. Yeah, boy. Chess is too easy, bro. Get chess out of my fucking face, bro. Okay. Okay. Mm, so it'll be 1 and then anything. 5, 2. Okay, so now we can move the pawn 1 or 2 spaces. Jesus Christ, C++. Come on, man. Now, should we implement detection? Let's implement detection. Let's assume we only have one, right? Let's forget about everything else and assume there's only this, so we can like simplify stuff for ourselves. So first it needs to check if this has anything inside of it. If is if it does not equal 0, that's literally what I'm looking for. If it does not equal 0, yeah, that works. Let's see. Am I gonna have to do this for every single one? God damn it. Yeah, literally. Okay, that works. So, boom. My fault. Sorry. Default, no default. Fuck the default. Fuck default, bruh. The fuck? Okay. Boom. That works. What's going on? Break. Default. Invalid movement. Oh, there's 2 breaks. I don't need that extra one. I don't need that extra one, buddy. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. That makes sense. What's going on with you, case 2? The fuck? Boom. And then this one. Um. So this will be -2. 2 and then -2. Okay. That should literally be all the logic I need, honestly. And then I think this is extra. Oh yeah, it definitely is extra. It's all extra. And then can I remove this? Switch. Okay. One of these needs a semicolon. Does it actually need a semicolon? Yes, it does. 125. else. Boom, there you go. Boom. Okay. Now that is not what I want. Um, that works. Whoa. Okay, let's check the logic though, right? Let's see if it works. Um, one. Test line. Okay. Okay. Yes. No. No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, dude, Cawthon, like Scott Cawthon. Oh, bruh. Oh my goodness. Where would this? Why wouldn't that work? Because I'm checking for it. I'm not telling it. Obvious. Come on, man. Okay. 1, 0, 1. But it still does it though. It still did it? No, because it erased. Oh no, 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 okay, okay. No, logic is fine. The logic is fine. The logic is fine. Case 2. Let's try it here. Um, +2, and then okay. Let's test it out. So it'll be one. That's not what I want. Not what I want. 1, 0, and then 2 spaces. That logic works, man. The logic works, man. Okay, now we have. It can check. It can check if there's something in front. God damn it. Okay, next is the eating logic. Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Oh man, this is getting interesting actually. Holy shit. So this is literally only one more piece of logic, which needs to be the eating. So how does eating work, really? Well, if we think about it, um, you know what I should do actually? I feel like I should write logic for. Mm, would it be better if it asked you what moves you want to make first, based on the available moves? Okay, okay. This should logic should go up here actually. It should definitely go up here. Oh god. It should detect first if it wants to eat anything, and then ask if the player wants to move. Um. Okay, I got it. So first we need to check if it's empty up front. No, 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 no. If select. So it needs to check in front of itself. So +1, and then it needs to check to the sides, right? Because it needs to check in front and then the corners. So those are going to be +1 here as well. Or the need to it could be necessarily -1 as well. Oh, if oh yeah, oh yeah, come on, bro. If it does not equal 0, or look at that, boom, too easy, too fucking easy, bro. Come on, baby, give me that, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Now it knows that it has available. Um. Yeah, I should actually. What is this? Is selected piece. Can I tab this? Yes, I can. Um. Um. Okay, let's test it actually. So let's assume. Let's just tell the computer this while we test. Okay. Equals 1. And then we're gonna just test both sides, high key. Okay. I need this logic down here because I need to be checking the board. What it's doing. Okay. So can I? Oh, bruh, it's missing a semicolon. Okay. Can I run this? It should have a value there. No. Well, it doesn't matter what it has there. It just needs to have something there. Oh, but okay. 1, 0. See, exactly. Okay. And then I want to go to the right, correct? So no. Um. Oh, the logic works though. Okay, so now it can do everything. Now I just need to ask the player what they want to do with it. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. Now I need to do all the checks. I need to do all the checks before anything else. It needs to check if it can do anything with that, and then it needs to check the front spaces. Actually, well, I don't need this actually right here. Let's not worry about that line for now. Row. Okay, yeah, because I need to. I need you. I need you. I need you right now. Uh, no, no, I'm doing this wrong. This works. Oh no, it worked. It should work. No, it should work. It should work. Yeah, it should work. It should work. High key. High key. And then, so this is all the available logic to me, right? Oh, organizing is gonna be a bitch. Okay, how would I display it if those are the available options? Um, yeah, select from available options, right? Boom. Okay. And then, no, let me think. Okay, this is more, even more brain power. Let's do one by one. Okay, yeah, if correct. Mm. Okay, and I need an and in here. And select the piece equals 1. Yes. Obviously, that's how it works, man. Or, boom. Perfect logic. Okay. Um, okay, no, this works. Okay. Else, see out. Bro, this is easy, bro. Move, fuck, man. Move on forward. Question mark. Move on forward. Select P. Mm. Select M. M or M? Nah. I think one's fine enough for now. I'm not gonna break my head over that. Select bone. Select one. That's one is fine. Mm, mm. don't think I have to worry about this logic anymore, actually. And then, so we can move either the pawn forward or capture. Because, yeah, here needs to check if it has something, and then it don't. Okay, so it should work. High key. Okay. So then, int player choice. Boom. Come on, man. Come on. Boom. Seeing player choice. Okay. This was just testing, I believe. Yes, that was testing. Um, I'll delete this for now. Yeah. CM player choice, and then shut the fuck up. Shut up. Okay. Switch player choice, and then case, and then case 2 break default break. Okay. Out. Invalid movement. Yeah, sure. Okay. So it's gonna do that. Do we? Oh, this needs to go all the way up here, actually. From the very start. Bring it up here. Bring it up here. Why is that red? We'll worry about that later. Okay. 2 is capture move. And then 1. Damn. Okay. Let's see 1. Let's move all this logic up to case 1. Boom. I'm worried about that pawn movement, but yeah, yeah. Good to be worried. What? What is this? What? Left unbranded must be I value. If I don't think I need to put int here. Do I? No, I don't. That doesn't make sense. Because it's already been declared. But where's chessboard actually? Yeah, I don't need to. If I think do I what? I don't think I need those. Oh. Okay. Yeah, come on. That should work now. 0. No fucking way, bro. Come on. Pawn logic was easy, bro. Pawn logic is papitas, brody. Shit. And then anyone will work. Y. Yo, that's correct. 2. Is there anything different about 1? Why would that do that? There's nothing I can capture here. 1, 0. That's incorrect. Logic. So if I type negative, if I type 1, not doing nothing. It should also display it at the end, right? Oh no, I deleted that. I can't even retype it. Oh, retype. Boom. Come on, baby. Too easy. Give me something hard next time, man. Give me something hard. Is extra. Do I have for int 4? Okay. But why is it doing that though? 0. Okay. The pawn works. We know that. We know that the pawn works. For sure. If row select +1 so it's in front and to the right, or if it's in front to the left and it's not equal to 0, it's or here, and it should be and. Because if it's 2 zeros, I think that's a problem. 1. Boom! Food. Okay, the pawn logic works. That was. How long did I fucking. How long have I been streaming? I don't know. However long that took is what that took. Okay, so now we can move pawns. We should try to now make player turns. Do. So, start the board here. You know what? I'll do that actually there for now. I'm not gonna worry about that logic. But what I will do, okay, is how would I do a return system, okay? Because it's gonna keep looping every time. How would this work? Because I need to alternate between each loop. Odds and evens. Evens and odds. Odds and evens. 0 is technically an odd number, right? Okay. So it's gonna be out here. Int. Whose turn? Whose turn? Equals 0. Right? So then do whose turn is gonna be right down here? Whose turn? +1. Oh well, plus equals plus equals 1. That's not what I want. Okay. I'm drawing the logic. I think it's a for loop. Not gonna lie. Oh, it works. Okay, never mind. So now we have whose turn, right? So if what? Don't overcomplicate it. Uh, because you want the remainder to be 0. Yeah. Boom. That makes sense. Okay. White's turn this time. White's turn. And then else. Uh, Black's turn. Whose turn? And then if it's divisible by 2, it's white. If it's not, it's black. Right? Okay. Um. Now we're in here. If selected piece, why doesn't that work? It should work. Is selected piece equals if that's all the same thing. Yeah, the same thing, but except positive. Okay. Okay. Else. And then else here. Okay. And then this should be in each one. Boom. Easy as that. Damn, bro. Really got this shit going right now. That's crazy. I've been like doing this on and off and I keep fucking bailing on it. So what's wrong? Definitely select a piece has something to do with it. I know that. I know that from the beginning. Um where's got it. Got it. If oh yeah. Because we need an initial logic for the beginning. Right? It's the very start of the game. It's gonna need some logic. If whose turn equals 0 is equal to 0. Game start, white moves first, and then the same logic goes there, literally. Literally. Boom. Now selected piece should be valid though. Nope. Ambiguous. What? Why? Why? I don't want to do I need to do this? Oh man. Is that what you want? Oh, but hopefully it's only there. Is that what you want, Brad? For reals? F, huh? Else? Here we go again. I wanna be more than friends. So, why? What's going on now, man? Does, does that work? Mm, 22, 23. God damn it. Why? Why? Mm, mm, can't I? Mm, 190? No, I think it's just missing an extra one here. No, no, no. It's whose, hmm. Whose turn? It goes to 0. Game start. White moves first. Where you messing up? Did that happen something? Yes. Else. Mm. Hmm. Here. It's not. What else am I missing? A lot of see out problems. Let's assume this. Select the piece equals 0. Let's just do that for now. See if we can get it pre-declared. Boom! Game start. White moves first. Okay. White's turn. Oh. So this would be actually, but it's not. Mm. Uh, oh, should I switch him? Oh, I think that logic is completely wrong, actually. God damn it. So this is black logic. Black logic should be here, correct? And then white logic should be if here. So this is white logic. So this is all all of you. Confessions. Cool. That should work now, actually. On God. On Jeezy, it didn't. And now, thank you. Let me undo all that bullshit. God damn it. Right. Let me just make sure this logic is incorrect. I want to rewrite all this shit. 1, 0, 1, 2, boom. And then let's say 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, this logic is incorrect. God damn it, man. Okay. That's gonna suck. Okay. 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, it's looping the game incorrectly. No, let's see why it's looping. Mm. Shut your ass up, nigga. Well, Oh, okay, got it. Figured it out. Hmm. Huh. How would I? 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 Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! No need. There's no need. Hmm. Okay, this should work. Not gonna lie. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Um. How would I think about this? Does this work? Black's turn. Oh. So at the start, uh, mm, um, um, cierra la puerta. Mm, how would this? Needs to reset this every time. Mm, Uh, oh, this is in the wrong area. Mm-hmm. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Yes. Oh, bro, come on, too easy. Too easy, bro. That should work. I'm good. On Jeezy for Sheezy? Nope. What's wrong? Mm, 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 mm. What the fuck? Zero. Why does it do that, bruh? What the fuck? If select piece is mm-hmm. No. Oh, god damn it. Let's go. Harder. Mm. Mm. Where's this bracket at, bro? No, it's been right there the whole time. What the fuck? Disappointing. Um, I forgot what I'm fucking coding anyways. Oh, the turn system. Should work now. It should work now. So, two. Black's turn. Correct logic. It should be detecting Black's turn. If Black's turn is, if it's greater than 0, no, yeah. Then over here, if it's less. All right, this should work. Boom. First piece moved. Now Black's turn, which is gonna be, let's see if this works. Invalid. Try again. Oh, but it reset the whole thing. Why would it do that? Mm. Okay, got it. Oh, else, what is this loose thing doing? Else, if whose turn is it? No. Zero and uh yeah. Uh okay, yeah, this'll work. I just need to update the logic. Of course. And uh it's gotta be less than 2. Alright. This should work. Now it should work. Okay. Now. What? Um mm, do I need to add an equal sign there? I think I do. I think I do. Mm, 0. Oh, what? Man. Okay. Let's think about this critically. Mm. This, what if it's true and false? Bull. I think this will work actually. Yeah. Oh no. No. Okay. Let's see. That's moved. Oh. Oh. Okay. Now let's test black. It shouldn't be able to do white moves. Mm. Uh. God damn it, man. Why? Sometimes Visual Studios, man. Sometimes, bro. Sometimes. moved, and then let's say 1, 4, and then 1, 4. Okay, now let's say 6, 1, 6. 6 should what? Okay, let's figure out why that's not working now. Okay, black's turn. Boom. That should work. That should work. Okay, 1, 0, 1, 2. Boom. And then 1, 5. And that, okay, let's do 6, 1, 6, 4. Nothing invalid, so it is working. Delete that. Okay. God damn it, bro. 6, 1. Yeah, right. It should be. Chicken detective. I put a 1. Oh, ah. Mhm. Okay, let's remove all this extra code. Come on, bro. And then it's white's turn. Need to remove all this bullshit. God damn it, man. Mm, okay, bro. Okay. Okay. Let's try this. God damn it, man. Boom. First one. Second. Shouldn't allow me to do this. Invalid. Okay, try again. 6 should work. But it doesn't. What about 6? Anything else? 4. It doesn't work. Why don't you work? Man. Mm, why though? Mm, Whoa. Okay, what happened here? 6-3. That'd be. There's nothing there. What the fuck? Okay. God damn it, man. Okay. Um. Okay. So that works. So it's gonna do that logic. It's gonna go through it, and then. Mm, maybe I can delete this whole thing. I'm not gonna lie. See if I can get away with this. Okay. Is it? What's going on? Okay. Should be 1 0 1 2. Boom. I know that. 6 1 1 2. Okay. I'm in there. But white isn't doing anything. Why can't I do white next? Why does it stop? Um. Oh, I think I need to delete this actually. Boom. Yeah. Whose turn matters more? So 1 0 1 2, and then 6 1 1 2. Okay. And then I want 0 uh 0 1 2 3 0 3. Mm, 3 3. Okay. 3 3. Oh, god dang it, man. I need to add that logic. Okay. It's going. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's getting there. Sure, slowly but surely. Don't call me Shirley. Slowly but surely. Don't call me Shirley. Come on, bro. So, oh, okay, bro. There you go. And then it should also work for everything else subsequently. So it should work for this one as well. White's turn. Else. And yeah, as long as hell. What the fuck? Okay. No. What? Uh-uh. Hmm. Syntax error. Let's see if that works. I think I just moved it up because all of them need to be 0. That didn't work though. Hmm. Definitely missing a semicolon somewhere. Suspiciously. If mm, if else uh, mm, yeah, right. I see that. Oh. Um Yo, what's up? What's up?
Yo, what's going on? ¿Qué está pasando?
Nothing, way. What's going on with you, bro? You still at work?
Yes, man. Let me tell you something, man. Let me tell you something,
What
man.
happened, bro?
Dude, motherfucker gotta work fucking with my money, man.
Oh, whoa, not my money. Give me my. What do you mean?
Dude, still, he comes up to me. He's like, hey, so you were talking about like coming in mañana, right? And I
Huh?
was like, yeah. And this motherfucker goes, no, but I talked to Jerry. He gave me the day actually. And I was like, no, bro, what the, bro?
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Like he gave him the hours?
Yeah. What are you talking about?
What do you mean he gave him the day? Like he gave him the hours?
Like, yeah.
Damn.
Tomorrow, and he goes to Jerry. He's like, I guess he told him like, can I have the hours instead or something? Because motherfucker goes up to me right now, like a minute ago, and he's like, so Sam, you were coming tomorrow, but like Jerry told me to come, so like, what are we gonna do about that? And I was just like, pinche fuck, man, I should get my mouth shut, bro.
Oh, man.
Dude, and like, man. And man, whatever, bro. I'm just mad because, like, my mom is, bro, like, Gary. It's because, dude, ya sabes como Jerry, güey, es bien dejado. So, like, I'm pretty sure he didn't want to fight him about it. So he was just like, fine, have the hours. But, like, bro, Jerry could have told me something. I'm like, or like, no, those are Sammy's hours. Like, fuck you, man.
Damn.
Dude, yeah, man. Yeah.
Dile, fuck you, Jerry.
Hey, right, dude. Literally, I'm not even mad at the other guy. I'm more mad at Jerry because Jerry gave me those fucking days. And like you could have fucking told him, hey, like, what if this motherfucker doesn't come up to me and tells me anything, and I show up tomorrow? It's gonna be on Jerry, bro. Nah, man. You know what? Nah, cause this motherfucker already told me.
What?
Show up at all.
Okay.
I wish you would. I wish you wouldn't have told me anything. I would have showed up for real.
Come on, way.
Bro, man, wait. Fuck this motherfucker. Fuck both of them. Wait, fuck, man.
Fuck both of them. What do you mean, fuck both of them?
What do you mean?
I don't know, way. Hey, bro. To be honest, this is just more smoke time, bro.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to call you. I wanted to let you know that we can smoke at any time now.
Damn.
Man, I'm pissed, man.
Bro,
I'm pissed, for real.
hey, bro, don't worry, way. I got you 4 J's, way. I got 4 J's, bro.
I told you that, like, was like, hey, make sure, like, you don't go overtime. I was like, my bitch ass nigga.
Damn, you should have told him that. You should be like, hey, way, you're gonna go overtime, way. I don't know, way. Damn. Fuck, bro. What are you gonna do? You gonna fuck him up or what?
Hey, dude, like, man, don't keep man, the second time he does some shit, I'm that third time I'm not ready to go. I'm gonna be like, nah, wey, this is mi día, wey. Ya me lo dieron, wey. Fuck you.
Damn. Está la verga, puñetas. Es mi día.
Dude, no, man, dude. If I wouldn't have said anything about me coming tomorrow, he wouldn't have known anything. He wouldn't have asked for it, wey. And I feel like I am, wey. Whatever, wey. Fuck this old bitch, wey. Fuck this man. Whatever, man.
What do you mean, fuck this old bitch? Damn, way. Not that serious.
Hey, you work tomorrow? Or not?
Nah, I got a whole day to smoke, man. To smoke.
Yeah.
Hey, and you know what? It's good that we have more time because I got 4 J's too, like 4 additional ones. So.
Yeah, for real. That's good.
Come on, baby. Come on.
I'm so fucking pissed, man. Like, for real.
Fuck him up, man.
Come on, man.
Fuck him up. Shit, bro. Hey, man, that sucks though. It's crazy.
45, man. I'm gonna break his knee or something, man.
Bro, it's crazy they snatched your shit. Like, they snatched your hours, bro. You already had them on lock, and they took your hours, bro?
I don't give a fuck.
Hey, wait, me personally, I wouldn't take that shit, way. On God.
Me personally, güey, le voy a mochar los pies, güey, a la verga.
I don't believe you, way. You ain't gonna do that. Damn. That's crazy. No, it's crazy, Jerry. You already had the day, and then Jerry's like, no, this guy.
Exactly. Jerry's the one to blame here. Like, dude, you already gave me the hours. Why are you giving them to him, bro?
Yeah, wait, that's.
Jerry's plotting, man.
Jerry la verga.
Jerry was like, a lo mejor he doesn't make it mañana. I'm gonna have to call this motherfucker.
Oh shit, he's talking shit, bro. Fuck him up.
Hey, some of them are plotting, man. They're plotting, man, for real.
Oh, man. Man, we gotta go beat him up or some shit. We gotta go murder them. We gotta go kill him, man. Hey, I got it right now, and I got a gun too. Hey, but actually, you missed the Tuesday, and now Friday. How many hours you gonna work in total, eh? After that.
30? The original 30? Pero dude, I'm trying to get my 40, bro.
Oh, man. Damn.
Fuck this old motherfucker,
Fuck him up.
I
I don't believe you, man. You ain't gonna cut. I'm gonna tell Jerry you said that, way. Oh my god, your hours, man. He's fucking with your money. Give me my money. Huh? Fuck him up, way. Fuck him up. What's up?
Hey, you still got them ramps, way?
Hey, wait, ramps? Oh yeah, I got them. Why? What's up?
Hey, can I buy them from you or not?
Buy them? Huh?
I was thinking it'd be easier to work on my Jeep with ramps.
Buy them? What you mean buy them?
Who knows, like
$30? Get the fuck out of here. No, they're not for sale, man. They're not for sale, bro. The fuck?
They're not for sale.
Not for sale. Like you put money in my face and I'm not gonna take it.
Fuck you, eh?
I'll lend them to you if you want. You know?
Can I borrow them? Can I borrow them again?
You borrow them right now.
I pick them up after I'm out.
I don't believe you, eh?
What are you? Nah, borrowing. I'm not giving you money, nigga.
What are you gonna do? What you want? Oh, steering arm or what? What you gonna work on?
Yeah, literally.
Wait, when you gonna work on it?
Dude, I need to check my suspension, way, because, dude, this devil was getting a little worse, way. It's getting a little worse. I hit a hole today and
Damn!
just like that. Exactly like that.
Holy shit! Fuck. It was
So
like
it stabilizer, it's like 130. It's not that bad. It's 130, not that bad.
130, way. Fuck.
Next check though. Next check though. Next check, not this one.
Next check though. Ah!
What do you mean?
God damn it, way.
Man, I'll beat Jerry will out.
This check though, eh?
Shit, wait, I think I only got like 200 left, way.
Yeah,
Nah,
bro.
I got 150 cause my gym payment coming up like in a couple days.
Hey, wait, I think you gotta stop hitting the gym, wait. I think that's. Come on.
Shut the fuck up.
What? What, bro? Am I tripping?
I'm a fuck up Jerry.
Mm-hmm. Hey, you gonna do it? You said you're gonna borrow the ramps. You're gonna work on it today?
The ranch.
The ramps?
The Rams.
Yeah.
Nah, tomorrow probably before we get to the shit.
What do you mean tomorrow? Well, how long do you think that's gonna take? Type shit.
No, I'm just checking my suspension, way.
Bruh, and you need my ramps for that? You need my ramps for that for real? You got,
tighten everything though.
bruh, this guy got like a 6-inch lift and he needs my ramps? Come
Hey,
on.
wait, low key, it got lifted like 1 more inch with the new shots. Wait, I was checking that shit.
Alright, bro. That's too much, not
Check
gonna lie.
that shit out.
I think we gotta drop it away. That's too much, not gonna lie.
You think so?
Yeah, it's too much, way. It's not safe. We gotta stop you. You're going too hard, bro.
I think otras 4 inches, way, for real.
4
Not gonna
inches?
lie. Not 4, way.
Cap, way. You ain't putting none of that.
What?
Man, buy that Matt's off-road, recovery thing, bro.
How much is it? Mándame la link.
I never looked into it, but I know it's expensive. Hey, but you remember when it was?
I'm not doing it, way. It's local, way.
Hey, you remember when you were tugging though, and like it was shaking your truck? On God, with the one he's got, way, you don't do that for real.
No, what do you mean?
Cause his shit is stretchy, so when it pulls, like it doesn't do like a tug like that, you know?
Shit, I'll check that out. It's like a bungee cord type fucking rope.
Yeah. You gotta get one of those, man.
I've seen them use it in my skin. I don't know what it's called. Güey, ¿tú qué sabes?
Hey, I know more than you, man. I know more than you.
Ya no sé.
Hasta la estaba, güey.
You're no, ¿qué, güey? ¿Qué te crees, güey? Tú, güey.
Hey, wait, we're gonna have smoke, way. We're gonna have to fight right now.
Let's go to Pilares, güey. A ver cómo te va.
Let's go to your house let's go to your house and smoke, and you gonna get the smoke, way. You gonna get all the smoke. Come on, gang.
Hey, güey. Who's the new guy that they hired?
Where at?
Pues, ¿dónde más, güey?
AutoZone?
MTX, dumb fuck.
Oh, damn. I don't know. Some guy.
¿Quién es el new guy, güey?
I asked him. I was like, what's up with you? And he said that he got. I was like, he should have hired me. And the guy said that guy's been in the works to get hired even before he opened the shop. Like he was.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that they know each other. Like he was like planning on actually. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. See, way.
That's cool.
It's alright, wait, you know? Like, whatever, bro. He should have hired me, though, but whatever, wait.
Nope. You're the second one up, wait.
Bitch, I don't got work tomorrow. Hey, what time you think tomorrow, then? Like, what time we thinking?
Whatever time you want, wait. Pues I'm free a la verga.
10 a.m. Huh? My bad.
What'd you say?
In the morning. 10 a.m., Wayne. Gotta get to
In
it.
the morning?
Well, you said anytime. I picked anytime. I picked it. You gave me the option.
Wait. No mames, wait.
Damn, I'm not gay, brother. No estoy mamando.
It's gonna be hot as fuck mañana, güey, no mames.
Oh, Chile?
77, güey, ya se va a calentar otra vez.
Hey, how
güey.
much is that in Celsius, nigga?
I'm thinking como a las, cuando caiga el sol, güey, como a las 7.
7?
A las 7.
7?
Güey.
What about like 5:30, way? Ay, dale, güey. By 30, güey.
Damn, what time you work?
The morning. Like at 7, I
What
think.
time?
I think like at 7. I haven't checked. 7 or 8.
We work the same time.
I can know, way. I have to wake up earlier. Trust, way.
I'm trying to smell it.
What do you mean, no, way? You're such a hater, bro.
Como a las 7, güey. Como a las 7.
What about like 6? What about 6, wait? What about that 6? I'm an early bird type of dude, you know? Like, I'm
No,
a.
güey. Como a las 7, güey.
No! I'm gonna pull up at 6.
6:30.
I'm gonna pull up at 6. I'm gonna pull up at 6.
No, 6:30.
I'm gonna pull up at 6, güey. Ya dije.
I'm hungry, güey.
A las 6, güey. A las 6. A las 6. Hey,
6:30.
Angel said he's gonna get 2 tall boys.
Well, he can get them at 6:30 a la verga.
Damn, I'm gonna tell him he said that shit.
Hey, what are we thinking? 6:30 or qué?
Hey, wait, I'm thinking you should clock out right now because fuck Jerry. He making you work late and it took your hours?
Hey, güey, I'm out at 11, güey.
Hombre, güey. Ponte a trabajar.
Clocking at 1.
Hombre, güey. Hey, how's the Jeep right now? That chill? That good?
Hey, güey, bien chill, güey. No mames, pinche piscina.
PGPCM, but what are you gonna do about it, güey? We need to.
Hey, güey, pinche, güey. On my hit list, güey, tengo el PCM, tengo el Jerry y tengo el otro vato, güey.
Damn, otro vato. Hey, Bray, it's not healthy to hold so much spite in your heart, güey. Not gonna lie. You know?
So what do you think I should do about this, güey?
I think forgive and forget, güey. Forgive and forget. Like forgive and then forget it. And then come on.
Fuck you, man.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
They took my money, güey.
Hey, wait,
Give me my money.
they say when you change your perspective, that's when miracles happens, right? Huh?
Give me my money.
Broke nigga need hours, way, I need yo.
Fuck you, güey. You did 24 this week, güey. I was gonna do 40. Fuck you, a la verga.
Damn, way. I'm just a hard worker like that. 24 hours.
Yeah. Give me my
No mames, way.
money. Fuck you, money.
Sorry, bro.
And I'm gonna talk to Jerry for real, way. I'm not gonna stand for this shit already.
I don't think anything's gonna go happen. Wait, I think you're just gonna make like yourself a target or something. I don't think it's worth
Shut
it.
up, nigga.
It's not worth it to talk to him, way. To be honest.
Shut up, nigga. I'm gonna talk to Jerry already.
No, wait, don't talk to him at all. Don't like him now.
Nah, cause him is a day. How the fuck are you gonna give somebody else a day and not tell me anything? Nah, I'm gonna tell him something.
No, let's just
I'm gonna be like,
smoke.
so Jerry, I'm gonna be like, so Jerry, what time tomorrow? Fuck you, America.
And what if he says like to 11 and then we don't go to smoke, way?
You're right. My bad.
Come on, bro.
It's cause I need my hour.
Oh, wait, we got 4 J's. Plus the residue weed.
Fuck you. I'm gonna call him.
Baby. Alright. Speaking of. My poker face, my poker face. My poker face, my poker face. Poker face. Okay. Okay. Well, I'm kind of puckered out after that, to be honest. I think I'm gonna log out already. Shit, bro. Yeah, cause high key, I'm already tired, man. Well, we got the pawn logic ready, and we got the semi-turn logic ready. I think I'm gonna try to see what's up with this off stream. Well, Maybe tomorrow, not today, because I'm probably gonna shower and stuff today for the rest of the day. Yeah, fuck, man. How many lines did I write? I wrote 300, 359. Not that bad. I mean, my final was 1,000 line code, so this is like butter, bro. And it's all easy stuff. This is all easy stuff, honestly, compared to like objects and then recursion and iteration. I forgot, man. I'm done programming. Well, not this, but as far as classes, that's it for me, way. No more programming classes. Fuck that. Alright, I'm out this bitch for